So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to send your crypto from an exchange such as Coinbase to Celsius to earn passive income from lending your crypto. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and jump into your app store and search for Celsius crypto. And it's this link you see here on the bottom part of the page. Now, once we get that application installed and you get your account set up and verified, this will be your homepage. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Bitcoin because that's what I'm going to be sending in this video. And once we do, we'll see this transfer button in the upper left to go ahead and transfer some tokens. So clicking on that, we're met with this warning: only send Bitcoin to this address. Any other tokens you send can be permanently lost. So definitely only send Bitcoin to that address. Now we're going to go ahead and copy this address that's shown on the screen here and then jump back into Coinbase. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Bitcoin, and that's going to take me into my Bitcoin portfolio. I'm going to click on my Bitcoin wallet, which is kind of there in the middle bottom of the screen. And from here, I'm going to click this arrow that's in the upper right, which is the tool that we use to go ahead and send and receive crypto in and out of Coinbase. So once we go ahead, we click that button there, we'll be met with this page here, which will ask us for the amount to send. I highly advise sending a test amount. So if you see I have like $350 balance of Bitcoin, I'm sending $25 as a test transaction before sending the whole lot. And I advise you do the same. So here we're going to go ahead and enter in that address that we copied from Celsius. So just simply paste it in there. Quick disclaimer, make sure the last couple of digits match what you saw on Celsius. There are some malware tools out there that can automatically swap that to a spammer or a scammer account. So make sure yours are correct. And then here you're met with a confirmation. So you're able to see the fees, see the amount you're sending, and then finally go ahead and click the send now button at the bottom of the page. So jumping back into Celsius, we can see my Bitcoin balance has increased. Now, it did take probably about 5 to 7 minutes for my Bitcoin to transfer through. So if yours takes a little bit of time, don't freak out. It's totally normal. It should populate any moment. And if you wanted to, once you dive into Bitcoin, you click on that button, you can even scroll down to see, in fact, that your amount was sent, as well as see any rewards that you've earned from lending that Bitcoin. So you'll see I have, looks like 8 cents right now racked up. Now, on the Celsius website, which I have linked below, there's a really handy calculator where you can kind of play the what if game. So if you were to invest $400 of Bitcoin and hold it for a year, you would earn about a 6% APY on that, which nets out to around $26. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, that doesn't really sound like a lot, and it's not, let's be honest. But if you have Bitcoin and you're just sitting in an exchange like Coinbase, it's not earning you anything. So a free 6% isn't that shabby, especially if you factor in the fact that that $26 of Bitcoin is also earning you 6% and on and on and on in perpetuity. So if you also look at Bitcoin here, they do have a promotion going on. If you use my referral link down below, as well as this promo code HODL50, if you transfer $400 of crypto, doesn't have to be Bitcoin, and you hold it in the Celsius app for 30 days, they'll give you a free $50 in Bitcoin. And I can actually personally attest to this because that's how I got my original $40 of Bitcoin in the Celsius app. So you can look at a couple of these other tokens here. If you guys follow my channel, you know I'm a big proponent of Polygon Matic, and some of those APYs are quite higher. So for example, for Polygon Matic, it's around 10% right now. Not to mention that any of the crypto that you have in Celsius, if the crypto prices go up, which I highly anticipate Bitcoin as well as Polygon Matic will, your assets in Celsius will also go up, as well as the APY that you earn for them will be much greater because it's a much higher percentage. So all in all, I think Celsius is a great app for you to earn some passive income on your crypto holdings. I've held some of my Polygon Matic in there for months, haven't had any issues. Super easy to use. The earnings are paid out every Monday on time. I get kind of a confirmation email letting me know that it's coming and how much. And I can't, yeah, I can't vouch for them enough. It's a great application. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments down below. I'll do my best to try and respond to every last single one of them. And yeah, thank you so much. My name is Ryan. This is the No Autopilot YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.